Okay, this is for your fifth 6 weeks test. You're going to have 15 questions. They're going to be worth 10 points each. And I'm going to cover pretty much everything that we have in here. Now, included in your test are going to be the log rules summary. You want to know what's on it? It's in your notes. Also, conic sections, which is also in your notes. Formulas and equations. Okay, so these are going to be included on your test. And again, if you want to know what's in them, look at them. Okay, so out of all of these, you're going to have 5 questions on logs. These are going to involve the inverse relationship between exponentiation and logs. In other words, these undo each other. You're also going to have to graph a log equation. And finally, you're going to have to solve log equation using log properties. You're also going to have to solve a log inequality. And the log inequality involves y1 is the left equation, y2 is the right equation. Then you find point of intersection. And then find the range of x's the range of x values that satisfy the inequality. And you had a worksheet on this and notes. Okay, so that's on your logarithms. That's 5 questions. So the remaining 10 questions are going to be of the remaining 10 questions actually. There's going to be 1, 2, 3 questions on solving systems. And this can be done graphically. Substitution. Elimination. Or, if possible, set equal to each other. All right, and then the remaining ones, the remaining 7 questions then, are on conics. And they're going to involve completing the square, finding major and minor axes, matching equations and graphs, and finally, which is identifying conic. As the intersection of a plane and a cone. And that is pretty much going to cover what you're going to have on this thing. So what I suggest you do is to come back in and work the problems you've been given, study these things. It's always a good thing to come back in, work the ones you don't feel comfortable with, like completing the square. Work with this thing, especially, all right? Also, work with your systems. I know they can get kind of long, but the ones I've given you, if you understand how to do them, you should be able to come in and take care of them rather quickly. If you don't understand how to do them, then yeah, they're going to take you quite a bit of time if you ever get them at all. Okay, so this is what's on your test. This is what you need to study.